Welcome to paradise, my friends. Prepare to be swept away by this breathtaking tropical estate, where bold black minimalism meets the vibrant energy of nature. We'll begin our journey outside, where luxury and landscape intertwine in a spectacular dance of design. Step inside, and allow yourselves to be amazed. This dramatic entryway is merely a prelude to the sophisticated sanctuary that awaits. Prepare to be captivated. Behold, the living room, where comfort and contemporary design seamlessly converge to create an atmosphere of refined relaxation. Sink into the plush seating and let the tranquility wash over you. Prepare yourselves for culinary artistry in this chef's dream kitchen. Sleek, modern, and fully equipped, this space is as functional as it is aesthetically stunning. Imagine creating gourmet masterpieces with a view. Escape to your own private oasis in this luxurious master suite. Indulge in the ultimate comfort and prepare for a night of unparalleled relaxation. Prepare to be pampered in this spa-like master bathroom. Indulge in the tranquility of the soaking tub, or invigorate your senses in the expansive walk and shower. Pure bliss awaits. Your guests will feel right at home in this stylish and comfortable guest bedroom. The perfect blend of form and function ensures a restful and rejuvenating stay. Who needs a gym membership when you can maintain your fitness regimen in this state-of-the-art home gym? Stay fit and fabulous in the comfort of your own home. Work from home in style. This sophisticated home office provides the perfect blend of productivity and aesthetic appeal. Prepare to be inspired. Gather your loved ones around this elegant dining table for unforgettable moments. This sophisticated dining room is the perfect setting for creating lasting memories. Prepare for ultimate entertainment in this state-of-the-art media room. Settle in for movie nights, game days, and countless hours of family fun. Step outside once more to this inviting outdoor patio. Embrace the tropical breeze, the panoramic views, and the ultimate relaxation that awaits. Pure paradise. Even the laundry room exudes style in this exceptional home. A testament to the seamless blend of functionality and sophisticated design throughout. And finally, we arrive at the ultimate relaxation destination, the poolside cabana. Imagine yourselves here, sipping cocktails, basking in the sun, and enjoying the breathtaking views. This is truly paradise found. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour.